Today, I'm going to show you how to make Nutella brownies only using 3 ingredients. First, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 eggs and put them in a large bowl. And now we're going to take 1 cup of Nutella. And now we add 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then with a wooden spoon, or you could use an electric mixer if you want, let's just go ahead and mix this all together. And when it's all mixed together, it'll look like this. It'll resemble brownie batter. Now I just take 2 spoons and I get some batter here and go ahead and just put it in. And now what you can do is you can add toppings. I like to add some nut toppings. I'm gonna add nut toppings on 6 of them. Just take some nuts and just put them on there. And now we bake these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take them out at 25 minutes and check them with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, they are done. All right, when they come out of the oven, they'll look like this. They smell amazing. We're gonna go ahead and let them sit and cool for about 5 minutes. Also, I'm gonna come in here with some powdered sugar. And there we have it, Nutella brownies.